Hi everyone, I am your free mentor welcoming you all to this new series on geography. You are watching this video, so I can guess you are preparing on general studies or general knowledge for your exam. In this video, we will have an introduction to geography and we will see why this subject is so important. In the later section of this lecture, I will tell you the strategy on how to cover your geography syllabus and memorize to the best of it. So watch it till the end to get benefited and to stay ahead of your competitors. So let's get started. If general studies or general knowledge is a part of your exam syllabus, then you must have a strong hold over geography. You can ask me why? Because geography is one of the most important subjects which plays a crucial role in understanding major part of a syllabus directly or indirectly and can help you score high in the test. But how? Let's divide the subject into two parts. One is physical geography. Some may call the physical geography as world geography also. And the second one, Indian geography. Anyway, as far as your exam is concerned, majority of the questions come from Indian geography. But to understand Indian geography, you need to have a strong hold over physical geography. Then you will not have to rot the facts. Rather, you yourself can answer half of the questions even without reading the Indian geography. But to score the best, you have to cover everything end to end. After you cover this subject, it will help you completely in number 1, environment and ecology, number 2, agriculture, which comes under economics, as well as number 3, industry, which again comes under economics, and some other parts of other general study subjects. This is how this subject overlaps with other contents. That's why I told you this is one of the most important subject in general studies. Let me show you what we will be covering in this series. We will cover the complete geography from the latest edition of Lucent's General Knowledge book. We have deliberately created very small videos so that it will be easier for you to understand each topic exhaustively. Now, you got to know why I said this subject is one of the most important. See, some of you might have found geography boring in your school or difficult to understand. Trust me, this is my guarantee. Whether you are weak in geography or not, after completion of this series, you will be the best in this subject amongst your competitors. Now, let's go to the strategy part. How to cover the whole subject and memorize it. How? Let me tell you, let me help you. We have segregated the topics in number of lectures. The first 2 to 3 lectures will be completely based on facts. There, the understanding part is less and memorizing the facts will be more important, right? I know some of you may think of just reading line by line from the book only to memorize them. But as your mentor, I will suggest first complete the video or the lecture. It will take just some couple of minutes. In return, your brain will retain things on its own. Trust me, audio and visual memory technique is the best one in remembering facts. Some of you may find it difficult to memorize facts. As in the beginning, 3 lectures, we will cover the facts. You will get more time in your hand to revise them multiple times before your exam. The more you listen, the better your retention will be. After the 3rd lecture, we will be covering the conceptual part. There I will show you some flowcharts, diagrams, maps, and many more which will make you fall in love with this subject. Anyway, your brain is going to do its task. When we will understand the concept from its core, it's done. 90% of the things get retained even without picking any book. But for the rest 10%, you need to go to your books, read them once. You can give it a multiple revision either just by playing the lectures or you can read them again from the book. I will suggest watching a lecture is the best way to cover a syllabus and at the same time to retain them. According to the duration of your preparation, I have divided you in some 4 categories. For first category, if you are a beginner and haven't studied geography before, or you found geography difficult or boring in your school, I will suggest first complete the whole series till the end. Just watch it in the first lap. Don't put pressure on yourself in remembering things. Just get acquainted with the terms. After completing the series once, you can count yourself in the next category. So after completing the whole series once, your task will be the same as those of category 2. Okay? Then who comes under the category 2? Those who have already studied geography, cover the whole subject but are not exam ready. Then the procedure for you will be to complete one lecture attentively from end to end. Your brain will memorize most of the contents automatically. Listening to the video will help your brain to retain things. Watching them will help you memorize them for longer. Then complete that part only from your book. Then go to the next lecture and repeat the procedure till you complete the whole lecture series, which will be available in its playlist. As the videos are very small, I will suggest you to complete 2 to 3 videos at a time if you have already read them before. Now, the third category students are those who have completed the whole syllabus and are confident for the exam. I can say category 1 and 2 students who have completed their task accordingly can count themselves in this category. You people just need to go through each and every lecture in this series. Trust me, your vision memory and audio memory will help you to retain things concretely without letting you make any error in the exam. I will suggest while watching the videos, try to read from the screen because this will be the last revision for you before the exam. And the last category, who are working aspirants, only this program will be the most beneficial for you, as these lectures are deliberately made very small. You people can play them while commuting, while walking, or while brushing your teeth in the morning or doing any other stuff. Here are some common tips for you all. If you are a fresher and you haven't made any notes for geography till now, I will suggest while attending the lectures, have a pen and paper ready with you. You can jot down the things as a flow note or can pause the video or note them down. If you are watching the lectures while traveling or walking, or for those who can't have that note right that time, I will suggest to take the screenshot, but remember to jot them down later in your note. But if you are someone who already have some notes made before from books or from somewhere else, I will suggest not to write them again. Better watch and listen to the lectures attentively. It will be better for you both in time management and revision. So don't waste your time, start your studies right now. If you still have any doubt regarding your preparation, strategy, contents, concepts, study plan, or anything related to your preparation, you can comment below or you can reach us through the email displayed on the screen. If you have any academic doubt, ask instantly in the comment section of the related lectures. It will be solved by our experts. And don't forget to like this video and share this if you found it helpful. Let your friends be your success partners. Always remember, sharing is growing. And subscribe to this channel to get in touch with your pre-mentor. Thank you.